Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to combine two columns in Google Sheets. Let's say we want to combine columns A and B. Click and drag to select the cells you want to combine columns of. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of your screen and find the Merge Cells icon, which looks like a broken rectangle with arrows pointing inward. Click on the drop-down icon beside it. A small drop-down menu will appear with several merge options. From the list, click on Merge Horizontally. This option merges the selected cells across columns into a single wider cell. After clicking, you will see that the columns are now combined for each row. Please note that merging cells only retains the content of the leftmost cell. It does not combine or merge the actual data from both cells. For this example, the content of column A will remain, while the content from column B will be cleared. So, that is how you combine two columns in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.